Technology CEO. So it's great. Congratulations from the prestigious award winner of the golf field now.
No, I'm very delighted and I'm very honored. And this to this, we had a very long journey. For the last 7 to 8 years, we worked really very hard. More than 10 million smartphone devices as well as smart gadgets, and we distributed it to countries across the globe, starting from the South Asia till Middle East and Africa and then Europe. So for the nomination, first of all, to the jury that nominating Riversong Technology, highlighting our efforts. And today it's just not about me only, it's about the whole team basically. Seed back in like 8 years back. And my co-partners, co-founders like Wayne Liu and Hitan Kalakesh, we are the three mosquitoes basically who started this, who plumbed this 2016 in UAE. And our headquarters based in Shenzhen, from where we started out back. But Alhamdulillah, here we are, and this is not the least. From here, we will take another niche, another takeoff, another milestone, because sky is the limit.
Of course. So soon we can see Riversong in.
Yes, we are in last 6 years we have reached to 33 countries now. We are targeting by 2028 to reach. Let's see, let's hope for the best. And we are also changing our domain as well. We are going into more IoT products, more consumer electronics products. So by now we are doing smart watches, mobile phone tablets, but in near future we will be doing more artificial intelligence. So from the depth of my heart, I would like to thank Karthik and the jury of this Golden Tree nominating Riversong Technology for the 2024 Best Technology CEO Award. So thank you so very much.
Once again, congratulations for receiving this award. Thank you.